Hey, it's Sue McIntyre with Remax Hallmark J. I wanted to talk to you a little bit today about home insurance and making your offer. If you're going to purchase a property, make it conditional on obtaining home insurance. I usually do make that and tuck that and make that condition and tuck it into the financing condition. And it's an important one, and it's something that we don't really talk about that much, but here's the reasons why. There are a number of types of properties that insurance companies will charge you a higher premium for, and there's also properties that they won't insure, or sections of property that they won't insure. So it's kind of important to make the inquiries during your conditional period so you know what you're up against, if anything. So, solar panels. Insurance companies are not a fan. Depending on the roof percentage, what percentage of the roof is covered with solar panels. That's important to know. They also want to know if it's on a lease. They want to read your lease agreements with the solar panels. And they don't like it because of a fire issue, not because the panels are going to go on fire, but if your structure does have a fire, firemen can't get into the roof through the solar panels. There's an obstruction there, and they don't like that. Oil heat, if you've got oil heat, depending on where your oil tank is, how old's your oil tank, it's going to cost you more for oil heat for home insurance. Heated structures that are not attached to the house, but like shops, saunas, barns, they cost more money. They usually want to come out and see them before they will insure it. What else? Electrical. If you have a fuse panel versus a breaker panel, if you have aluminum wiring, there are some certain things that they want to have done to the wiring before they'll insure it for you. And of course, knob and tube wiring is not insurable. Anything under 100 amps is an issue getting insurance for. Plumbing, there's certain types of plumbing that they will not insure. And what else do we have? Construction materials. It's going to cost you more for a log home or a panboat home because of the replacement value. It costs more to rebuild that, so it's going to cost you more money. So important to look into those factors. If you're buying a cottage and the cottage is going to be vacant, or you're going to do an Airbnb or a short-term rental, all of that is going to cost you more money. So please make your inquiries before you firm up so you know what you're getting into.